mad. I ain't even mad though. I ain't even mad though.
You and I know you ain't about that life. Drop with me now.
All right, babies, we're back with another one from Reshine Hair. I'm coming through with a 24-inch Brazilian Body Wave 4x4 wig, honey. They gave us some lashes, the stock card, and a wig cap. And now we can dig on into this unit. So I'm just going to show you guys what this is looking like. This is that ready wear, throw her on, we got to go, I need to go shopping, hit the mall kind of wig, okay? So I'm just going to go on through, darken up the lace using my Ibn lace tint. It's everything. I really do implore that you guys take the time, color your lace to your color, whatever that may be, but get it together. It's worth it, I promise. So after doing all that, I do spray the inside of my wig with a bit of Wonder Lace Bond, and that's just to kind of hold in the tinting that I did with that Ibn lace tint. I'm going to use my Babyless wand curlers and just go on through and put some curls into this unit. It is a very long unit. For 24 inches, you are getting every single lace, thick, nasty inch. Okay, did you feel that? This unit, I've really tried not to play favorites, I'm gonna be honest, but I love 4x4 closures. I don't care. I do not care. I think they are the best thing ever. I love the option of literally throwing my wig on like a hat. And the beautiful thing about this particular wig is that it is created just for that function. They want you to get it ready and get on, okay? So I'm just going to continue the wand curlers throughout using my Babyless wand curlers. I just do the same pattern throughout the hair. And let's move on to the other side. Now that I've put most of the unit in wand curls, what I'm going to do is use my Renews It stick and go on through and just try to get this as flat as possible. The lace on this unit is absolutely positively impeccable. It's important to note that this particular unit does not have any combs inside. It only has that band, not even the straps. There is no Wakanda forever here, okay? It is given, we are hanging on by a wing in a prayer. And we praying about it. Let's be clear. Let's be clear. This unit is absolutely stunning. Now, did I tell you for 24 inches, this unit is $236? $236? Y'all have to check out Reshine Hair. I think that this is absolute value. Like value. Do me a favor, if you break this payment up into 4, you're literally getting it for $58.85 every 2 weeks. We could do that. We could do that. And if we can't do it, somebody gonna do it. It's either gonna be a baby mother, baby father, baby dad, the baby, the son, the daddy, whomever. Get it together, okay? Because this is such a necessary unit to have. And not only do they have it in Body Wave, they definitely have it in Bone Straight. I've done this unit also in like a wavy, water wave kind of pattern as well.
Possibly give you any more than you have already taken. This unit is stunning. What I did was go in and use the what do they call these, blender method with the spray on a glueless unit. I absolutely positively recommend that you do this. This unit is fire. I don't give a damn how much this unit costs. You deserve, baby. I'm telling you, you have put in the work, okay? You have held them down. You deserve this wig. This hair is stunning. I mean, stunning. I'm literally on my way to DC. You know what I mean? Chocolate City with the Browns. I wanted to make sure I look like something. And this wig came in the mail. And I couldn't be happier because this wig is fire. And y'all really don't understand. This is fire. I feel like a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? I love this wig. Now, I will not be tussling with nobody. Because she'll fall right up off my Mimi Tech head. She does have the band. She does feel really secure, if I'm being honest. Especially because I just put a little bit of glue around the perimeter. She feels super secure. However, some of y'all like to have slow down. Slow down. That's not for you, baby. That's not for you. Slow down, okay? What you gotta do is just a little, you gotta sit this. Y'all. Do y'all even understand? Like, I cannot, the words aren't enough. The words are not enough. Reshine Hair did not come to play. You could wear this with Glueless. I don't know why I'm not. I don't know why I'm not. But the truth of the matter is, you don't need any glue. It's phenomenal. Look at this hairline. Bitch. Whew. I don't know. I know that y'all be wanting me to have all of these words and these sayings and these things to say and the shink the dinks and all of that. She's nasty, disgusting, filthy. She's filthy, okay? This is too much. Do y'all see how this hair is moving? Let me turn around. Now stand up so you guys can see just how long she is. I want to cry. I quite literally want to cry. I don't understand. I don't understand. We deserve a lot of things. But you know what Reshine Hair continues to do for us? She continues to let a bitch. She continues to humble a bitch. Okay? Because what you thought you was going to talk mess? You thought you were going to have something smart to say out your mouth? Oh, you thought you were going to do a little review, a little critique? Not on my hair. Not on mine. You better alert the town. Let the people know this hair is the shit. Because that's all you can say. That's all you can say. It's absolutely positively the shit. Now it's tangling a bit. It's not the hair. It's me. It's the way I curled it and put the clips in. Sometimes you can compromise the hair on your own. And I did that. I ain't even mad though. I'm just like, I'm outdone. I don't know if y'all are outdone. I don't know who baby father, sugar daddy, husband, girlfriend you need to sleep with. Him, her, she, they, whom. You better get you one of these. It's a chicken motherfucking salad, ho! Okay? I ain't got nothing else to say. I'm outdone. I look like I look so good. I want to cry. Y'all see me working on my cat eye? Y'all see it? I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. I love y'all so deeply. Make sure you check me out. All my other videos. I'm your girl Intisar, Eleanor. Subscribe to this Mamie Tech channel so we can keep getting the fire wigs. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers.